Hey YouTube, this is PJ from the PJ Show, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick fix on how to get the last couple hits out of your dab pens. And this is a cart that I picked up. It is from Bold here in Arkansas, and it has a little bit of oil left in the cart, and I just want to get that oil, get the last couple hits off of that. And so I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick. All you need is a heat gun or a blow dryer, something that's going to heat up that oil to kind of move it from one side to the other. And there's a little bit up here at top, so I'm going to actually open it up a bit and see if I can push that oil down with my heat gun. So you open that up real quick, and I'm going to use my heat gun right here, and I'm going to use a hot setting. So what that did right there was it just pushed the oil that was on the sides of the glass down towards the bottom, and now it's kind of covering the holes a lot better. You can do this a couple of times, but once you pretty much run out of your oil inside your cart, don't be sitting there burning the wick on the inside because it doesn't taste good and it's not good for your lungs. So I hope this helps. You can put this back on, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste real quick, see if it worked. Oh yeah. So that'll get me a couple more hits off of this cart. Anyways, my name is PJ. This is the PJ Show. I hope this little life hack has helped you, and you guys have a good one. Thanks. Bye.